In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can uninstall software or programs or applications from your Windows. So let's get started. So first is you just have to click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you can find the option apps. Click on that. Among the list on the options right here under apps, you have to click on installed apps and you will find all the applications installed in your Windows. So here if you want to uninstall an application is that you just have to simply click on the three dots that corresponds to the application. Let's say for example, we are going to uninstall YouTube. We just have to click on the three dots that corresponds to the application, and here you can find the option uninstall. Click on that. Click on the uninstall button once again. And that will be uninstalled from your Windows, okay? Then we also have here this one. Okay, so you just have to click on the three dots and select uninstall and uninstall once again. Now that is the first method. Another method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type appwiz.cpl, okay? It's upwiz.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. The same thing, you will find all the currently installed programs on your Windows. So in order to uninstall a program is that you have to select the program first. So let's say for example, we are going to uninstall a PDF in the desktop version. You just have to click on that and then you have the uninstall button or option at the top, or you can simply make a right click on the application and you'll find the uninstall button. Then okay, that will be uninstalled from your Windows. So if you have to look for more or uninstall a lot of applications or more applications, then just do the same process. You just have to simply make a right click on the application and you will have the uninstall button or the uninstall option. So you just have to click on that, okay? So that's how you can easily uninstall a program or application from your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.